it's Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a B&M and a Home Bargains haul for you guys, and I'm going to get straight into it because I have loads to show you, and I'm going to start with Home Bargains. The first thing I got was this lamp. This bulb, I've taken it out already. It's a daylight bulb and I've actually got it on in my office. I'm going to show you the difference. Okay, it's the middle of the afternoon and it's so dark, so this light is awesome. And this was $2.49, which I think is like really affordable. I've already replaced the two ones downstairs in the dining room and living room, and now my office, because I do film in here quite a lot. So first thing I got. Then I also got some contact lens solution. Now neither Paul or I wear contact lenses, but I actually bought this to make slime for Alex. I've seen loads of different recipes and they all require this as an ingredient to make it nice, so I bought some. That was $1.99. I saw this white clay and eucalyptus face mask and I thought that looked really good. It says it's a purify for a clearer looking complexion. I thought, why not? I haven't smelt it yet. Oh, it smells of eucalyptus mainly. What does it say? It is eucalyptus and white clay, yeah. So that looked really nice. That was 89p if I'm not mistaken. Let me just check that. So that was actually 99p, okay, which I thought was good price. I also, one of my friends had a baby in December and I still haven't been able to visit her, but I plan to do so in the next month. So I picked up a few things to add to the present. I saw these Munchkin spoons. They're infant spoons, or what else they call them. Yeah, easy grip handles. So that was a really big pack. There is 6 in there. And that was $1.99, which I thought was really good. Munchkin was one of my favorite brands when Alex was a baby. Also for her baby, it's a boy. So I bought this magic mat. Apparently helps keep the ball, the food ball in place. You guys can see there. I thought that was really cool. I never saw that when, you know, Alex was a baby, and that was $2.49. So again, good price. I also, lastly, for the baby, I got these Newbie, another one of my favorite brands, Bandana dribble catchers, bibs. This one has got little cars, and then this one's got little paws, like cat paws or dog paws, and that was $2.49. So I thought those were really good, well priced. I also got one of these basic cutlery trays. This was 79p and it's actually going to go in the drawers I have next to my desk to help organize my pens and bits and bobs like that. I got some of these. They are pan protectors, placed between pans when stacked to protect against damage, but I'm actually going to use them to stack my glassware, you know, like the Tupperware version of, but in glass, that I have, because I've noticed that there's a couple of cracks on one of them, and I think it's because I've not protected them when I'm stacking them up. So I'm going to have to cut them to size, but that's okay. And that was 99p. I got, you guys know I love a foot pack. This one is honey and almond. And here's the thing, these were 89p, whilst in Poundland you pay £1 for them. So I thought that was a good bargain. And yep, can't wait to try that. I got some Ziploc bags. You guys might have seen that I got some of these for Christmas. I had picked them up myself and then Paul gave them to me. But as you can tell, there's only a pack of 4. So I went back and got another pack. So when we have visitors, we've got extras, and these are $3.99, which I think is an awesome price, and I really love them. I also got a scrubby brush. This is going to be for the bath. I picked up some food containers. I want to make some meals for Paul and freeze them so he can have them. You know, this is for lunch. I got some Mr. Men and Little Miss omega-3 and multivitamins for Alex. There's 30 in there, and that was $2.99, which is a good price. And we'd run out of peppermint oil, so we have actually all have the starts of a cold, so I really wanted to get some more. That was £1.09 for this little... I've never tried theirs, so I'm hoping it'll be good. And I also picked up, for the same price, a eucalyptus oil, which, again, I'm going to put this in our diffuser. Sorry if you can hear Alex. He's very excited building Lego with his dad. I was also really pleased to find this. This is a glass bottle with an aluminium lid, and it's got like a... silicone sleeve, and I'm going to use that as my drinking bottle at home, and I can take it with me as well anywhere. But I really wanted a glass one, and the ones I'd seen, they were over £10, so for $3.99 that's a good price. And then finally I picked up this little bouquet of fake roses for $1.69. I'm already regretting not getting another one, because they had sort of this off-white colour, and they also had bright red, you know, like love red, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm going to put that possibly in a little boom. So that was all that I picked up from Home Bargains. So now let me show you what I got in B&M. So the first thing I got was this round mat. This is actually really, really soft and spongy. This is for our downstairs toilet. I prefer to have round mats than the other rectangular ones. And that was, let me see, can you see it? $4.99. Bargain. I picked up as well, also for our downstairs loo, this Life Scents, what do you call it? Call it Reed diffuser. There we go. It is in, it doesn't actually say, because there's a lot of foreign writing, but I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't. Oh, Fresh Forest Waters. And this is again for our downstairs loo. I got a pack of this quick fries, Tilda, sweet chili and lime. Paul wants to avoid wheat for a little while, so I thought for his lunches to have little pouches of rice along with other stuff. So I saw this was for 59p, so I picked it up. These can go anywhere between £1 to £2 to buy one pouch of these. I got some napkins. I've had these before. There's 50 in there for £1.99. Picked up some pants for Alex. These are PJ masks, and they were $3.99, as you can see. I also found these, and I've been looking for these, 3-pack oversized chevron terry tea towels. So basically they're like towels for the kitchen, but I wanted them to be white, and I really like the terry towel sort of kind of material. I think they dry really well, and they were $2.99 for a pack of 3. I got as well some So Juicy Mexican chicken spice mix, basically, and it comes with a little bag, so you can put it inside and just let it all cook together. And that was, I think that was really, really cheap. I'm sure there was like 29p. Okay, I got another one, which is by, this one is Maggie or Maggie, whatever you want to say it, and then this is Knorr, right, brand, and this is Tuna Napolitana. And I thought, again, for 29p or 50p, something like that, why not give it a try? I picked up 2 of these, right, to put in our toilets, just because I want the toilets to always smell nice, right? So here's the other one. Now, we are all, like I said to you guys, starting of cold, so I got some Lemsip and some Panadol Actifast, as well as our favourite tissues. I have the ones to have at home in the box, but I wanted these to put in our bags or coats, things like that. Kleenex. I also got this granola. Looked really, really nice. It was on offer for £1. No wheat added. They actually had a little section of wheat-free and gluten-free stuff. Picked up a taco, Old El Paso mix. Again, it was like 50p. Also got some Nature Valley crunchy. It's open because Paul and I shared one on the way home. These can go for like £2-3 sometimes, and they were £1.29 I think on offer, so I picked up a box. I always like, we don't usually have them that much, but I like having them in case we need to. I also saw these put in a mug, and I thought, why not? Sometimes when you just need a quick hit, and these usually go for over £1, and they were 39p. So I think I got a couple of boxes. Yes, there's the other one. So Paul and I can have it one night. I also got some hair dye because, I don't know if you can see, but I really need to get my hair done. So the color I got is chestnut brown. Looks very reddish, but it's chestnut brown. I got some hand soap. This is the coconut water one for £1. I thought that was really good. And finally, is this finally? I think it might be. Yes. Oh no, there's two things. One, I got a little thing of command tapes. Rule number 1, when you're moving. I know you guys know that I'm moving in the summer. So the moment I find out I'm moving, I start buying these because I will need loads and loads. It would cost me over £100 to command tape my whole house. So I start every week, I buy a little pack and just keep it. So by the time I move, I have a load in stock. Finally, I also got a bath mat. This is what it looks like. I thought that was really cute because the one we have in our bathroom looks disgusting. It's not even that old, but it has that I'm dirty look about it, even though it isn't. So I just thought, I'll just get a new one. And that was it. That's it, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you here, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye. I forgot to show you these 4 storage boxes with lids, like so. This was the last packet I saw there, but they were £2.99, and these we're going to use for Lego. And also some Glade wax melts, and I think these were £2.